Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your hotel card to your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone's operating system is up to date for optimal performance. Next, verify that your specific hotel property offers digital key functionality through Apple Wallet. Finally, download the hotel's official mobile application from the App Store. This app is crucial for the setup process. Having these steps completed will ensure a smooth and successful connection. Once you've checked in through the hotel's mobile app, navigate to the section that displays your room details. You should find a prominent button labeled Add to Apple Wallet. Tap this button to initiate the transfer of your digital key. Your iPhone will then guide you through a few simple on-screen prompts to securely add your room key to your Apple Wallet, making it ready for use. Using your iPhone as a hotel key is incredibly convenient. Simply hold the top edge of your iPhone close to the door's card reader, just as you would with a physical key card. Your digital key will automatically activate, granting you access to your room. There's no need to unlock your phone or even open the wallet application, making entry quick and seamless every time you approach your door. If you encounter any issues, first ensure that near-field communication, or NFC, is enabled in your iPhone settings. Sometimes, a quick restart of your device can resolve minor connectivity problems with your digital key. Also, remember to keep your iPhone charged, as a dead battery means no access. Before you go, check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.